Glamorous, dramatic, and sexy. Action. Welcome to 240 Park Ave South, Penthouse 17. I'm Michael Graves, and I'm looking forward to showing you this incredible place. This entrance gallery greets you as you step off the private keyed-in elevator. But once you step into the apartment, all you can say is wow. I mean, look at this. Over here. As far as first impressions go, it doesn't get much better than this. And let's not forget the hand-applied plaster walls. You won't see them anywhere else in the city. Just one of the many attributes that set this penthouse apart. This is the great room, and it's the main event of this home. It includes living, dining, and a gorgeous bar area. You have Italian porcelain floors underfoot and 12.5-foot ceilings overhead. Notice the custom frieze molding with recessed and cove lighting, which really sets the mood. And check out this limestone fireplace. It's quite the focal point. Not a bad place to put your feet up, huh? This home is also an art collector's dream, with massive walls, perfect for large-scale pieces of art. It just screams glamour. In fact, you'd be hard-pressed to find another residence downtown that has this level of sophistication and modern elegance. Look at this grand dining table. Just a hint of the lavish feasts you could host here. Imagine you and your guests dining against the backdrop of these views, featuring the Empire State Building, the Chrysler, and the clock tower at Madison Square Park. Views so impressive that I'm pretty sure even if your chef burns the food, they won't notice. Sleek and stunning, this ultra-modern kitchen will inspire even the most uninspired chef. Corian countertops, automated cabinetry, and all the best appliances, of course. It also features a butler's pantry and wine storage, to say nothing of the east and southern views. This is a chic kitchen to carve a turkey in. And I can tell you, us vegetarians love it too. Imagine movie night or game day here. This screening room has it all. This is an acoustically treated room with a retractable TV and even more landmark views. So if the movie's a bore or your team is losing, you always have something to look at. This is a 3-bedroom home, and the primary suite is right this way. For those of you who dream of bedrooms and not just in them, this is the place for you. The primary suite features a luxurious spa-like bath, a huge windowed dressing room, and this serene bedroom. It's flooded in natural light with both north and southern views. I love this beautiful hand-carved oak millwork, which is also very functional with built-ins. And the tray ceiling with coved lighting makes the room feel even bigger without ever losing its sense of calm. It's also pin drop quiet. How many bathrooms in New York can you watch your favorite news in the morning while you brush your teeth, turn to the right and see a perfectly framed, picturesque view of the Empire State Building and Clock Tower? Well, I'll tell you how many, just this one. Well, that's it, but I hope you enjoyed taking a look at what I consider to be one of the most beautiful homes downtown.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.